Mastering everyday English. Turn off the lights. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're focusing on a very common phrase you'll encounter in everyday English. Turn off the lights. Understanding not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of this phrase, can significantly boost your English fluency. Let's get started. Turn off the lights is a phrase that means to switch the lights off or to stop the lights from being on. This action can be performed by pressing a switch, button, or any device controlling the light. The phrase is commonly used in various situations, emphasizing the action of making a room or space dark by stopping the artificial light source. This phrase is used in everyday contexts, whether at home, in the office, or in public places. It's often used for several reasons. To save electricity. Reminding someone to turn off the lights can be about conserving energy and reducing electricity bills. When leaving a room, it's a common practice to turn off the lights when exiting a room to save energy. Before going to bed, this is a typical scenario in households, signaling bedtime or the end of the day. To set a mood or atmosphere, sometimes, lights are turned off to create a specific ambiance, such as during a movie night at home. Knowing when and how to use the phrase is crucial. Here are some tips. Use the phrase as a polite request or reminder. For example, could you turn off the lights before you leave? Pay attention to intonation. It can make your request sound friendly and polite. Practice saying the phrase until you're comfortable with it. Break it down into sounds. Turn off the lights. Understanding and using phrases like turn off the lights can significantly improve your English communication skills, making you sound more natural and fluent. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice and real-life application. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this common phrase effectively. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.